All right, the last thing we're going to do here is something in Gmail, which I'm sure you're familiar with already, but I just want to go through a little bit on email. So when you're in your Gmail, you're going to go ahead and compose a new email, and that email is going to be sent to me. So if you check on your tutorial on your Flipbook pages, it will give you my email address. I'm not going to type it in here because I don't want my email address on YouTube, but you'll type my email address there. And then your subject, something about the Google Sheets Flipbook assignment, because that's what this is going to be about. So I kind of want you to pretend, because I know you guys will at some point probably be needing to email me something. I want you to pretend like you have this assignment to turn in, but it's late, and how you could approach an email to your teacher about turning in a late assignment. I want you to think about being polite, being respectful, using complete sentences, get your point across, because the email communication is going to be something that we're using more this year, especially if we end up not being in class for some reason. So I just want you to kind of think about how you're coming across in your emails. So we're going to say, "Dear Mrs. Campbell, I kind of want to see what you guys come up with here." So you're going to type about 2 sentences about your missing assignment. Type your 2 sentences here. You're going to end with a closing and then your name. My fake person is SpongeBob SquarePants, so that's what I'm going to type here. Then you're going to add your Google Sheets Flipbook assignment. So we're going to go right here to the Drive link. Recent is a great button to use because this was the most recent thing that we completed. It's right here. You can hover if you're not sure, you can't see the whole title there, but if you just hover over it, then you can see that that's my Google Sheets Flipbook assignment. So I can click that, and then I'm going to click Insert. And then when you're done, when you have that added, then you just hit send. Okay. I don't have an email address in here, so that's why mine isn't sending. But when you type in an email address, you'll be able to send it.